Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, can I ask you, what is stopping your dreams from coming true? What is stopping you from making it all happen? What can I do to help you to make your life and live it on that higher level? If you and me can work together on your next big adventure, why not drop me a text message on 07801 543 515. Or, of course, you can book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon. But first, here is today's quote. Smile. Happy looks good on you. One of the nicest, most natural sights that you can see from the human body is your smile. It shows happiness, maybe a part of a laugh, or maybe more incredibly, it's actually so contagious. Smile at one person and the natural instinct is to smile back, even if you don't even know the person. So, go out there and smile at one person and see the happy appear on their face, one smile at a time.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.